Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. So behind me, all this patio area is clean. Very weedy at the top. Got no cup of teas yet, but I'm a bottle of water. Trying to be a bit more healthier, is that? I do drink a lot of water anyway, you know what I mean? Just don't eat, that's my problem. So I get home and have like 3 dinners. But that's a bit random, sorry about that. Yeah, this is a referral from a few patios and front driveways ago. I've done a double at the front and across the road I've done the double, and now I'm doing one of the next door neighbour's mother, and then I've done one of their dad's door. So it just shows if you do one good job it can lead to so many. Like, I'm really grateful for that. So I'm gonna stop waffling as well, get on with some weed destruction. So if you got a video, and if you could give it a like, that'd be great. Can I get a grime line? Oh yeah. Right, so I've just cleared out the drains and that to draw on a cuppa. Well, I couldn't say no, could I? On top of that, yeah, the finest china from biscuits. Just told you I'm trying to be healthy, but don't tell the missus that I'm snacking on about 4 or 5 biscuits. I'm not going to say no, honestly. I need that little boost. But yeah, job is going really well, really satisfying so far for myself. Yeah, just going to crack on with this and enjoy my tea. Cheers. Can't remember how I started this video.
Very nice job.
You like it, yeah? Good. So I didn't get you in it, it's alright. Alright, that's all the weeds blitzed. Colours come up fresh, and there's a wrap on that one. So if you can comment, like and subscribe, that'd be great. And I'll see you in the next one. Enjoy the outro. Cheers. Hello. Whose birthday is it? Whose birthday is it?
Look at that one.
It's Theo's birthday, isn't it? How old are you, Theo?
I'm 3.
You're 3 today. Wow, such a big boy. And where are we?
The dinosaur land.
The dinosaur land. Yay, you happy?
Yeah.
Come on, let's go see some dinosaurs.
Oh, you're
Theo, look at that one. Look at it. What is it? What is it?
It's an egg.
You like it?
It's an egg.
Yeah.
It's an egg.
You love the eggs, don't you? Do you want one?
Do you want to stand here? The little egg ones. Do you want to stand here? Take that one.
Theo, what's that? What is it?
You want an egg?
You want an egg? Yeah, we gathered that.
The baby one.
A baby what?
That's okay.
What's the dinosaur called?
Stegosaurus.
It's a what? A stega? Wow! Come then, let's go see another one. Yeah, we'll go to a shop and buy one. Wow!
They've got eggs, haven't they?
Yeah, they've probably got eggs somewhere. Can you find them?
Yeah.
I can't see them though.
Look at his tongue.
Look at his tongue. I'll have a look. Wow, he's got a big tongue, hasn't he?
He's not going to get me.
No, it's not going to get you. Wow, look.
I really don't think them.
Huh? What are they again? What did you say? They're meerkats.
That's the one. Next one.
Wow, how many are there?
1, 2, 3.
Wow.
And there's 4 up here.
There's more.
like the ones that don't
Theo,
feed us.
would you like a milkshake?
Oh yeah.
Would you like a milkshake?
Yeah.
Would the lemur like one?
Yeah.
It's pretty sweet, isn't it?
You like one, Theo? Do you want one?
Yeah.
Oh.
I know, the keeper.
Do you want to get in?
You want to get in with them?
You can't get in.
Ta-da! You like it?
Yeah. It's got spots on it.
Yeah, it's got spots on it. It's your birthday cake.
What's that?
Grass.
What's that?
Number 3. Because you're 3 years old.
What's that?
Cream.
Cream.
You happy?
Yeah.
Ah, good boy.
It's got toes.
He's got toes, yeah.
Read the mother.